So looking at this one again, guys, what we want to identify is our angles and then what is the sign. So we can see that this is u plus v. So therefore, then going through our tangent identity, I'm basically just going to be plugging in the values. I'm going to take the tangent of u, 2 pi over 3, plus the tangent of v, which is pi over 4. And then that's going to be all over 1 minus the tangent of u times tangent of v. Tangent of 2 pi over 3 times pi over 4. OK. And now I just look at this and say, all right, so what's the tangent of 2 pi over 3? Sometimes 2 pi over 3, so that's in the second quadrant. So therefore, tangent is going to be negative. 2 pi over 3. Sometimes these I don't really get as much on my brain in my head. So that point is negative 1/2, common negative or positive, square root of 3 over 2. So the tangent of that is going to be negative square root of 3. Yes? So this is negative square root of 3. Good. Plus pi over 4. Tangent of pi over 4 is 1. All over 1 minus negative square root of 3 times 1. All right, now typically I usually like to write these out so the radical is on the right-hand side. So let's rewrite this as 1 minus the square root of 3 all over 1 plus the square root of 3. Hey, that kind of looks like that one over there, right? Kind of what we did a little bit. We don't have to get rid of the denominator of 3 right now. We can just now we can rationalize the denominator, right? It's kind of the same. It's just now it's a positive in the denominator instead of a negative. But it's the same operation. Oh, that's why you made us do that warm-up, Mr. McLogan. Hey, good thinking. Now we kind of have a little bit idea what to do when we come across this. I gotcha. All right, so now that I've already done my introduction, I can probably multiply this a little bit quicker for you guys. So therefore, this is 1 minus 2 square root of 3, and then plus 3. All over here is going to be 1 minus 3. Therefore, now this simplifies to 4 minus 2 square root of 3 all over a negative 2. And now what we can do is divide out a common term. We can factor out a 2 in the numerator. So that's a 2 minus square root of, So 2, factor out of 2 is a 2 minus the square root of 3 all over negative 2. Those now divide out. I have to divide my negative into both of my terms, and my final answer would be a negative 1 plus the square root of 3. Because that negative has to divide into both of those terms. All right, my teaching